If you live in Nigeria, you have limited access to the foreign stock market, but well, all thanks to the few companies that we're going to be talking about in this video, they changed the game in the industry since they stepped in. These companies allow you to invest in this foreign stock market around the world for as low as 1,000 Naira. I'm not kidding you. No, I'm not. With just 1,000 Naira, you can invest in Amazon, Apple, or any other foreign company. Isn't that amazing? Come on. Now, let me walk you through how you can start using this platform to start your investment journey. At the end of this video, I'll share with you my best between these two platforms and why. So if I were you, I'll stick till the end. So number one on the list is Bamboo. Investbamboo.com. So let's quickly go over to my system so that I can show you the platform and how it works. So here is Bamboo, and you can see the modern way to invest in everything. Bamboo is the easiest way to access smarter investment options and earn real returns. We make investing simple, accessible, and affordable. And of course, you're using your mobile phone to watch this video, so it's available on Google Play and the Apple Store. So go ahead and download the apps using the link in the description below. And investing from Africa has never been easier. Get started in 3 simple ways. Number 1, create an account. Number 2, fund your wallet. Number 3, and start investing. To get started, you just click on get started or start investing. Anyone you click on is going to give you option to sign up. You put your name. Make sure everything you put here is correct and valid and same information you have on your ID card. That's your identity, your means of identification. So make sure you have all these details, as it's very, very, very important to creating your accounts. It's more like a bank account because you'll be transacting money. So you need everything correct. Your bank account, everything has to be correct. So number 2 is Trove. Let's jump right into my system so that I can show you how to sign up with Trove. So here you can see the website is troveapp.co. To sign up, you just go ahead and click on sign up. All you need to do is put your email address here and create an account. So once you click on continue, it's going to open a form that you're going to fill. So we won't be getting into that because I already have an account, and signing up is quite easy. Just make sure that the details you are imputing is the same details you have on your means of identification. So let's sign in so I can show you around. So here is what my Trove dashboard looks like, and all you can see here is your portfolio. Your portfolio is going to be in US dollars and Naira. So if you want to be trading with Naira or US dollars, with US dollars, you buy foreign stocks with US dollars, and then you buy Nigerian stocks with Nigerian Naira. So here is the market today. This is what the market looks like today. So you can start trading already, and just this on the dashboard. And then if you go to browse asset, this is where you find all the assets. As you can see, is categorized by Nigerian stocks, foreign stocks, and then ETFs. So for Nigerian stock, you have every of the Nigerian stock that you will need. Here, if you click on expand, you can find all the Nigerian stock. Like now, if I go ahead and search for Dangote, for instance, at this point, if you're getting value from this video, please do me a favor, like this video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. So this is Dangote Cement. This one is for Dangote Cement. As at the time I'm making this video, the stock market is closed. So you can see market closed. If it's open, you see open here. So Dangote Cement here and Dangote Sugar. You can do any search here. So that's for Nigerian stocks. So let's go back. Here is foreign stocks. All the foreign stocks: Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Tesla. You can see Apple here. Let's search for Tesla. You can see Tesla here as well. If you click on Tesla, it's going to open the Tesla graph to give you an idea of what you are doing. And then you can switch your charts from either this form or the candle form. Okay, choose to buy straight up from here. You can choose to just click on buy and put the amount of money you wish to invest. Okay, the good thing about this platform, remember I told you that you can be able to invest in stocks with 1,000 Naira. So you can virtually put like $7 here, and then it's going to give you a fraction of the Tesla stock. So now you own a fraction of Tesla stock. If you click continue, it's going to give you an order summary. So guys, this is not a tutorial on how to start trading stocks and all that. I'm just going to give you a walk around of the platform, you know, how the platform works, how you can buy and how you can sell and how you can add funds and all that. In a future video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually buy stocks, what to look out for and all that. I'm going to do a separate video for that. So if it's something that you're interested in, you might want to subscribe to this channel at this point so that you won't miss out on any of those videos that I will be dishing out for you guys. So price per share is 269.39. So you're getting just a fraction of one share for $7. You click buy asset, and then of course the market is closed now, but you can be able to place the order, but it won't go through. They will keep it on hold until the market is open, and then once the market opens, they will now process the order. That is how to buy. And then if you want to sell, assuming you have a Tesla stock already and you want to sell, once you click on sell, you'll be able to sell your holdings or sell the number of shares you want to sell. For instance, the same way we did $7, you can do $5. Let's say you just want to take $5 from the market. You just put sell and then put $5 and then pull out $5 from the market, and then that's it. Then here is the company profile. You can be able to read the company profile and then go to the website and read more about them and everything, headquarters, everything you need to know about the company. Tesla is a popular company. Maybe you don't need all this because you already know that, but there are some other little upcoming companies that are also doing well that you might want to invest in, and then you want to read their profile and everything. So this is where the profile is. You read everything you need to know about the profile, and then if you go way down, you see more statistics, you see holders, you see the institutions. Vanguard Group is holding Tesla shares. This is just it. Then here is watch list. Watch list is actually a very good place that I play around and get my stocks together. I can decide to create a watch list here. Add a couple of stock. Put your title. Put your let me put test. Then put the description of the watch list. What you're trying to do. YouTube video. So here, put next. You can now start adding stocks to your watch list. Okay, so maybe you want to have a watch list where you can just be monitoring the market, and once it gets to a certain point you can buy, or once it gets to a certain point you can sell. So that is what it's all about. So you can choose to delete and choose to leave one. And here you can still open it and access it. Just pretty much self-explanatory. So here is the balance. Vault balance, Nigerian portfolio cash, US portfolio cash. So you can choose to fund your account, fund your Nigerian Naira, fund your US dollar, send money, find a contact and send money to them, move or convert funds. So you can move dollar to Naira or Naira to dollar. Then you can withdraw your funds here as well. So cards, if you click on cards, you'll be able to set up your debit card. You have your debit card in dollars. You can also have it in Naira as well. And then you can withdraw from any ATM or POS and also shop online with your Trove debit card. So here is order history. So all orders will be here, all buy orders, everything, all your transaction on this platform will be registered or recorded here. Then here is sell. All the sell orders that you process on the platform will also be here. Here you can filter all, you can filter completed, pending, processing, cancelled and failed. I know after showing you these two platforms that you can start investing with, the question on your mind will be, which is my best pick? Both of them are quite similar, but I love Bamboo interface and the security on their mobile app. there is a password that prevents anyone from gaining access to your portfolio in case maybe someone just picked up your phone and decides to play around with it. And on the other hand, Trove gives you a demo account to practice with just in case you are a new investor and wish to try out before investing real money. So generally, I recommend Trove if you're just starting out. Both of them offer the same services, but if you're just starting out, you can just go ahead and use Trove. And that's it for this video. I would recommend that you go ahead and watch this video next. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out. Peace out.